One needs to be passionate in what they do in order to thrive. This has been the driving factor behind Dr. Rachel Devi's success over the years, pledging her service to the country and serving Fijians as a doctor. Kritika Kumar reports with this success story.
Picking a career was difficult for Rachel Devi, as she had to choose between becoming a lawyer or a doctor.
I think I was more drawn towards medicine than to becoming a lawyer. So that passion for some reason was always there, and especially being, I did at some point want to become a cardiologist when I was young, but gradually I guess the Lord had different plans for me, and I entered public health, and that's where I've been loving my work ever since.
Devi's dedication and the trust in Christ enabled her to overcome her challenges in life.
Challenges, life in itself has a lot of challenges, especially, every step of the way. Obviously, there's competition in every aspect of life, and even with the education sector as well. And I must say I'm very thankful to my parents for seeing me through a lot of these challenges, being supportive right throughout it all. So that's been my biggest strength, I must say, apart from me trusting the Lord in every single step of it.
She graduated with a master's degree from the University of Sydney 5 years ago. Devi says her passion for her job is what keeps her going, despite being in a profession that would sometimes require sacrificing family time.
It's a sacrifice that we pay now, and not just myself, but a lot of healthcare workers, a lot of frontliners actually are paying. So not just me, but a lot of people have literally come into that containment area to stay here away from family to be able to get the work done. So that in itself, I could say, is a challenge, especially that emotional challenge that we have with family bond. And not being able to see your kid and your kid crying back at you is not easy.
Devi, who is leading the COVID-19 vaccination program in the country, says having passion in your work is vital in battling the current health crisis.
Serving the people equates to serving the country. So being passionate about what you do, because when we have the passion that drives us, honestly, makes a world of a difference.
The mother of one is an inspiring figure for many Fijians, serving the nation in leading Fijians to be vaccinated against the COVID-19 virus, all the while keeping her child in her prayers. Kritika Kumar, FBC News.